Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. If you want to use templates but can't upload photos or videos because your storage is full, don't worry. Today I'll show you a simple trick to maximize your free space on the CapCut web version without paying a cent. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss a step. Step 1. Open CapCut in your browser. Start by launching Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Search for CapCut. Click the first link and go to CapCut.com. In the top right corner, click Login and sign in to your CapCut account. Now click on your space to view your storage. You'll see how much space you used and what's left. If it's full, you might notice CapCut offering paid storage upgrades, but let's skip that. Here is the trick. Click on Create New Space, give it a name, and hit Create. Now you've got a brand new empty space where you can upload videos and photos again, completely free. You can repeat this process and create multiple spaces, each giving you extra storage. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.